How to delete your Crunchyroll account on mobile. Hi everyone, this is Kate from Create, Login and Delete. Now without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, you have to open up Crunchyroll application in your mobile device. After that, make sure to log into your Crunchyroll account. After you log in, you will land on this home page. Now, from your home page, navigate to bottom right corner. There is an account icon, tap on it. Now under account, you have to scroll all the way down, and at the very end under privacy section there you will have an option as delete my account, tap on it. Now in this next page, make sure to read this information given to you. Account deletion is permanent and can't be reversed. Now once you're sure to delete your account, tap on this checkbox that says I understand account deletion is permanent, can be reversed, and then tap on continue to account deletion. That's gonna take you to new page. You have to complete the form below to submit your request. To enable identity verification, please use the information you have given SP. Now to delete your account, you have to submit this request form. So first of all, what you have to do is which of our service would you like to apply this request to? Then tap on it. After that, you have to enter the email address associated with your account. Then tap on this verification that says I am not a robot, and then tap on submit. Now you have to confirm your identity. Here you will receive an email for confirmation. You have to click confirm from there, and then your request will get started. If you can't find your email in the inbox, you can search it in spam folder as well. Now go back and open up your Gmail. And here I have an email from Crunchyroll. Tap on it. Scroll down a bit and then tap on this was me for the confirmation. After you confirm that, again you will get an email from Crunchyroll. You have to open it up and it says one more step is required before we can start working on your request. Please confirm your email address by clicking on the button below. So you have to click on this button that says confirm email. Here it says your request is confirmed. Now they will review your request and contact you shortly. They will overview your account and will contact you, and that will help you to delete your Crunchyroll account. So this is the way to delete your Crunchyroll account in mobile, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video helps you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching. I will see you on next video.